In this video, you'll learn how to use Paperclip AI with Claude Code. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to create and configure your agent effectively. Begin by navigating to the Paperclip dashboard. Ensure you are on the correct page, which typically features a clean interface with various options for agent management. If you are not already signed in, you will need to enter your credentials to access the dashboard. Next, locate the button labeled Add on the dashboard. This button is usually prominently displayed and allows you to start the process of creating a new agent. Clicking this will prompt the interface to refresh, displaying a new set of options for configuration. Once this appears, you will see a field labeled Message I want advanced configuration myself. Here, you could enter specific instructions or requirements for your agent. This step is crucial as it defines what functionalities you want your agent to have. After that, look for the option labeled Claude Code in the list of available configurations. Selecting this will lead you to a new screen where you can begin the detailed setup of your agent. Now, click on New Agent to initiate the creation process. This option is typically located in the upper section of the interface. Confirm that you are on the correct screen before proceeding, as this will lead you to the agent configuration area. Type in your desired agent name in the specified field. This name will be used to identify your agent later, so choose something descriptive, one-centered, and ensure that the name meets any specified criteria such as character limits or format requirements. Next, click on Adapter to select the type of integration you want for your agent. This section will display various options, allowing you to tailor the agent's capabilities based on your needs. Then click on Adapter Type to specify the integration method. This step is critical as it determines how your agent will interact with other systems or applications. Locate and click on Prompt Template to define how your agent will respond to prompts. This template acts as a guide for the agent's behavior and responses, which is important for ensuring accurate performance. Proceed by clicking on Agent Instructions File. This option allows you to upload any relevant files that may assist your agent in understanding its tasks. Be mindful of file size. Larger files may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed. Next, select Permissions and Configuration to set the necessary permissions for your agent. This step ensures that your agent has the right access to perform its functions effectively. After that, click on Model to choose the specific model your agent will use. This choice can significantly affect the performance and capabilities of your agent, so select one that fits your requirements. Then, click on Default to apply standard settings. This option can save time if you want your agent to have general capabilities without extensive customization. Locate and click on Claude Haiku 4.5 feet to choose this particular model for your agent. This selection is often recommended for its balanced performance. Next, click on Thinking Effort to adjust how much processing power your agent will use when responding. This setting can impact response times and overall performance. Click on Enable Chrome if you want your agent to utilize Chrome-specific features. This option may enhance functionality depending on your use case. Then select Skip Permissions if you prefer to bypass certain permission settings. This option may be useful for quick setups, but understand the implications of limited permissions. Now, click on Max Turns Per Run to configure how many interactions your agent can handle in one session. Setting this appropriately is key to managing performance. Next, click on Extra Args, comma separator to input any additional parameters that may enhance your agent's capabilities. Ensure you follow the specified format. Locate and click on Company Skills to incorporate specific skills relevant to your organization. This step is crucial for tailoring your agent to meet business needs. Finally, click on Create Agent to finalize the setup process. This action will prompt the system to create your agent based on the configurations you've selected, and that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.